Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Home. This is Johan. Now I want to explain how to calculate sum and average of three numbers in C language. The program is started with has include stdio.h and then void main. Next, open brackets int x comma y comma z. These are the three inputs. And next, in the process of finding average, we maybe get floating value so that we taken float as a keyword. Next, printf. Enter. Printf is used to output enter three integers. Enter three integers. And next, scanf is used to input percentage d, percentage d, percentage d, comma, and x, comma, and y, comma, and z. And next, the formula of sum is equal to x plus y plus z. To find sum, we know that we should know the formula of summation of three numbers. To find average, we should know the formula of average. What is the formula of average of three numbers? Sum of three numbers by number of integers. Sum divided by number of integers 3.0. The number of integers are 3. And then printf slash n. Slash n is used to combine two lines in C language. Sum is equal to percentage d slash n and average is equal to percentage f. Percentage f is used for floating values. And next, sum comma average. And then this sum problem sum. And next, this is the complete program to find how to calculate sum and average of three numbers in one program. Start the compilation. Enter three integers. Printf. For output we use printf. What is right in the printf brackets? Enter three integers. This is the output. Enter three integers. So that I want to enter three integers like 10 space 20 space 30. The sum is 60. 10 plus 20 plus 30. X plus y plus z. 10 plus 20 plus 30. The sum of three numbers is 60. And then the average of three numbers 60 by 3 20. This is the complete program to find how to calculate sum and average of three numbers. If you like this program friends, you can subscribe channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.